Here is the most expensive mansion located in Igbo land. The Igbos are known for their business-oriented mindset and luxurious lifestyle. This mansion further embodies and reflects the high taste and exotic lifestyle of Igbo billionaires. This mansion is a true definition of luxury, taste, and comfort. The mansion is said to be worth over 10 billion naira. It has 3 sitting rooms, 7 bedrooms, 8 toilets, a cinema room, a gym house, an office, 2 swimming pools, a game house, a walk-in closet, and the interior decoration of this exotic mansion screams luxury. The crazy thing is, this beautiful mansion is located in the village of an Igbo billionaire. Then I ask, why do the Igbos build such expensive and luxurious mansion in their villages where they get to visit maybe once or twice in a year? I did a video about the Igbo billionaires and their exotic mansion in their respective villages. You can watch the video on the link below. Let's get into the video as I give you a quick tour of this beautiful and exotic mansion located in Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. The high taste and luxurious lifestyle of the Igbos need to be studied. This mansion further reflects how the Igbos love a luxurious and expensive lifestyle. Let's go inside and see what the interior of this beautiful mansion looks like. This house has 2 sitting rooms. Look at the chairs. These are all Turkish chairs and all imported, super expensive. This is the second sitting room, looking really beautiful and simple too. Then let's go to the expensive and luxurious dining. Look at the dining, guys, with a wine cellar beside this beautiful dining. Let's proceed. Next, you have the kitchen. This is just a simple kitchen. This is the first bedroom downstairs. This one is like the visitor's bedroom. Look at the visitor's bedroom. This mansion has a whopping 7 bedrooms, guys. 7 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom downstairs. This one is like the visitor's bedroom. Let's go upstairs and let's see what is upstairs. Let's go. You meet, this is the master's bedroom. This one, Oga house, Oga and wife. This is the master's bedroom, looking really simple and beautiful. The master's bedroom has a walk-in closet. Look at the closet. This is just a closet for the clothes and everything. It has a small lounge beside it. This is the toilet and bedroom. Look at the toilet, gold, just made of gold, gold plated. Look at the jacuzzi, guys, looking really beautiful. The Igbos, these people has their high taste. The high taste needs to be studied. Look at another bedroom, guys. It's another bedroom, and they are just looking adjacent to each other with the couch and everything, looking really beautiful and simple. Let's go. This is the upstairs lounge where you can just come out, relax, and just chill for a while. Maybe if you are tired of sleeping, you just come out, stay down, chill out, watch a little movie before proceeding. And let's go. This is the children's bedroom. This is the children's bedroom. This is the children's bedroom. This one is for his girls. You can see all the Cinderellas beside the walls. Just designed it for his beautiful daughters, guys. Look at the Cinderellas for his beautiful girls. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next and see. This is another bedroom. This is another bedroom for his beautiful daughter too. For his beautiful daughter. Can you imagine? See small picking where they build this kind of room for. How's I swear. Let's go. Oh, look at this view. Look at the chandelier. Look at the view from here, guys. Look at this. Is another bedroom. This one is for his son. For his son. You can see the Spider-Man. You can see the Spider-Man. The boy might be is a true fan of Spider-Man, guys. Just look at how beautiful it is. Then look at the rails, guys. Look at these rails. Look at the chandeliers. Look at this view, man. Whoosh. Money is good, oh. Money is good. The Igbos and their high taste there. it needs to be studied. And let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. This is another staircase. Just look at the rails, guys. Let's go. This is another staircase. Let's go. Let's see where this one is leading to. This is leading to the gym house and also the office. This is supposed to be the gym house. It still needs to be equipped. It will also be a game house for the whole family. This is the beautiful gym house. Let's go. Looking really fantastic. I just love the tiles down, shiny and looking really beautiful. Let's go. This is a home office where he can come in and work and also entertain businesses at home. This is his home office, looking really beautiful. Then now let me blow your mind. This is the balcony, guys. Can you imagine? Just look at this balcony. Just look at this balcony. We can have parties. This place can contain more than 50 to 100 people. You can have a very high class party here. Look at the swimming pool and also another relaxation spot downstairs. Look at the compound, guys. Just look at this. Look at this view. Let's take a drone view from up. Oh my god. Whoosh. Shit. Just look at this. Just look at this, man. Whoosh. I swear I'm jealous. I'm jealous. If I don't make am for this life, oh my god, my children no go forgive me.